Hello, so today we're going to plant some berry starts. That is, if I don't get rained out here real quick. They're bare root though, so they need to get in and get planted. Some bare root raspberries, a thornless blackberry, and a marionberry. They're all bare root, so I'm going to put it in a bucket and soak it for a couple hours before we plant them. And by the looks of it, I will be working in the rain today. I don't know if that's showing up on camera or not. Yeah, the rain's coming in sideways. That's never fun. I'm hoping it calms down a little bit in a few hours. So these are the starts we have. First of all, we've got a marionberry. Then we have 3 raspberries. We have a chillicotin, which is a spring crop. We've got the fall gold, which is an everbearing. And then we have the Latham, and then we've got a triple crown thornless blackberry. These are all bare roots, so they definitely need to get in the ground, or not in the ground. Actually, we're going to be putting them in containers for now. All right, let's get started. I think we'll start with the marionberry. It's got a very healthy root system. That's good. This pot already has drip set up and everything. Makes it a little easier. For those of you wondering what a marionberry is, it is a cultivated hybrid type of blackberry. It's not the same as a general blackberry, but it was taken from a Chehalem blackberry and an Olali blackberry. It was developed in Oregon in 1956 in the county of Marion, which happens to be the county I live in. I live in Marion County. So I grew up eating them and loving them. They are the best pie. Oregon commercially grows 90% of the world's marionberry production. I think the other 10% is in Australia or something like that. Don't ask me why or how that came to happen. But I love marionberry. It truly is the best pie, and actually marionberry pie, as of 2017, became Oregon's official state pie. Marionberries, as most berries, like to have the soil slightly acidic and well draining. And make sure you put them in full sun. When planting marionberries and blackberries, you want to dig the hole twice as deep as the root ball. Place the plant in the hole to make sure the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. If I were planting these in the ground with other marionberries, you'd want to space them 3 feet apart. Okay, let's get the gold one. This is the one who had the least amount of roots, so let's get that one in. We're going to go ahead and put it in this pot because this pot already has a drip line. Oh, brr, the wind makes it so cold. Okay, number 2 down. 3 more to go. Gonna need to add more soil to this one. But this one is perfect that I don't have to dig because these roots are a lot bigger than the last one. So I'm just gonna throw, is that about right? No, I probably need to put a little bit more dirt in here. Okay, gotta go get a bag of soil. I'm actually going to take a little bit of this out. Three down, 2 to go. This is kind of like an experiment. It'll be interesting to see which berries do better, because we were starting to run out of potting soil, so we were mixing in bags of compost with potting soil in these last two containers. So it'll be interesting to see if they grow better than the ones that don't have compost mixed in. All right, there's 4 of them. The other one's in a different spot. And there's the Marionberry. Let's go in and warm up.